Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm gonna to show you how to reinstall missing thumbnails in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to reinstall missing thumbnails, it's very easy. Click on Restart, tap here, File Explorer. After click on View, and here option always show icons. So check this box. After click on Apply. Click on OK. Done. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to restore missing thumbnails in Word 10, Windows 10 or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.